Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add in animation on the Capcut application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So just open a project, and if you want to add in animation to your video, just go to the lower bar, tap to the first icon, the edit, at the lower right corner of the screen, and you can find the lower bar, the third button, the animation. Tap that next to the speed, and here you can find three options: in, out, and combo, and you can find different in animation. You can use that if you have for example Pro, and you can add the different others. Just select one and click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.